Imagine you're standing on the sidelines of the Super Bowl, or deep in the Amazon rainforest tracking a jaguar. The shot of a lifetime is happening right in front of you. You press the shutter, and in that millisecond, your camera fails. Not because it broke, but because it wasn't fast enough. The rolling shutter distorted the ball, or the autofocus tracked a leaf instead of the predator's eye. For the world's most elite photographers, almost is the same as nothing. This is why the original EOS R3 was built, to close that gap. But as we sit here in 2026, the gap has opened again. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The competition has grown fiercer, the sensors have gotten faster, and Canon is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the mirrorless market. The Canon EOS R3 Mark II isn't just an update. It is a machine designed to eliminate the word mistake from the professional dictionary. If you've been thinking about investing in the flagship R1 or jumping ship to the Sony A9 III, you need to stop everything. Because the leaks coming out of the Milan Winter Olympics testing grounds suggest that Canon has done the unthinkable. They've created a camera that doesn't just compete, it reinvents how we see light. We are talking about a dual-resolution sensor that can physically change its nature depending on what you're shooting. This isn't just a software trick, this is a hardware revolution. And if the rumors are true, the R3 Mark II is about to make every other professional camera on your shelf look like a relic from the past. Why is this happening now? To understand the R3 Mark II, you have to understand the identity crisis of the professional photographer. We are stuck between needing massive resolution for billboards and insane speed for sports. Usually, you have to choose. You buy an R5 for the pixels, or an R3 for the speed. But the Mark II is rumored to be the great unifier. Sources suggest a 54-megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor that can bin pixels to become a 24-megapixel speed demon. It's like having two cameras in one body. 54 megapixels when you need the detail, 24 megapixels when you need to shoot 90 frames per second. Yes, you heard that right. 90 frames per second at full resolution. But let's talk about the feature that is actually going to make you lose your mind. Eye-Control AF 2.0. When the original R3 launched, Eye-Control was a miracle for some and a gimmick for others. But for 2026, Canon has completely redesigned the infrared sensors inside the viewfinder. It's no longer just looking where you look. It is now integrated with a new digic accelerator chip and deep learning AI. The camera doesn't just see where your eye is. It predicts where your eye will move based on the subject's trajectory. If you're shooting a basketball game, you don't even have to think. You just look at the player, and the camera locks on with a level of stickiness that feels like magic. It's an extension of your own nervous system. Now, look at the body. The integrated vertical grip is a staple of the R3 series, but the Mark II is reportedly shedding weight while increasing durability. They are moving toward a magnesium-titanium alloy that can survive conditions that would kill a human. But it's not just about being tough. It's about the heat. One of the biggest complaints of high-end mirrorless cameras is the dreaded overheating icon. Canon has reportedly implemented a new passive vapor chamber cooling system. This allows